All right, family, so we're back. So we're at IKEA getting the final door for the kitchen. Final door. Now we can finally complete the kitchen all the way. Ooh, soda. So how you guys been?
What's up, man? What's good with y'all? You know, I gotta put my jelly on my biscuit.
Wait a minute, let me. Yeah, you love to chat too much when you see how time I can't get this off it. Hold up. Yeah.
Good?
But yeah, I feel like you couldn't even see our heads.
Okay, good.
I mean, the food, listen family, this is how it is when it's in a car bang. This is why we don't do car bangs too much. It's very messy, but it's okay. For some reason, the food tastes better. Yeah.
It's fine.
So I have some grape jelly.
I just put my I got double fries.
Oh, and we have the new
Nuggets.
nuggets. They have nuggets.
I want to try it.
So you guys know I have red beans and rice. Not my red beans and rice, but red beans and rice. I have mashed potatoes.
I like this Popeyes right here.
A chicken leg.
Popeye right here hitting. All right, family.
It is fresh.
Here you go. Take a piece of the nuggets, okay? Let me see.
What kind of sauce we have? Bold barbecue and sweet heat. Let me try the sweet heat.
Is that right? It's okay.
Just nuggets.
Just nuggets. Chicken soft though. Here you go.
Listen, family, we're here bright and early.
Okay.
Okay. Another one, Tom.
You know what it's gonna have? The nuggets gonna have more in it?
Spicy.
They're more spicy. I don't, and the chicken is more seasoned more than nugget.
Yeah, try this one. Here's sweet heat sauce.
It's okay. It's okay, family. What y'all thoughts about it?
It's just nuggets.
Just nuggets. But you see how the chicken is more seasoned? That's how the nugget should have been.
Yeah,
Take a little bite. Here you go.
I agree.
It's not the RC, but it's better than something, no? What do you think about it? Okay, we more for you?
When you come to Popeyes, try to come in the morning. As soon as they open. Man, the food is hot and fresh.
We here early. Right open.
And fast. Because no one's on the line. Everyone is at work.
No?
And it's not lunchtime yet.
Exactly. True.
They open up at 10:30, I think. And we was already here.
Family. Chris said you read my mind.
That is true.
Chris said, you wanna do Popeyes? I was craving Popeyes. What y'all been up to though, good peoples?
What you guys got planned for the weekends? For the weekends. How many weekends are there? It's only one weekend at a time. I'm gonna try to put the sauce on it. Fine.
Oh, I got me a big, oh!
This is crumbs. You have napkins over there?
No, it's between your seat. Right now, on where your food is. Your food's at right here.
Oh, it dropped.
You drop? Right in there. There's a lot of nothing there on the bottom. You see it?
Oh, I see it. Okay.
There's some more right there. Put your right there, yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta put a first lady car with napkins. My car full of napkins.
Richie have napkins from every genre of every restaurant you can think of. Richie have a napkin for it.
The more napkins, the better. And you know when you're eating fast food. That's not big car. I just wash your car for you today.
Sometimes, it is good to have napkins in your car. Especially because when you go to some restaurants, they don't give you napkins.
They don't give you.
So you don't know who's gonna give you napkin and who's not, right? So
you gotta be prepared.
Gotta be prepared at all times.
Damn. It was nice. And they were very nice too.
It was. And fast.
Fast. Yes, we're in here talking to a camera. People looking at me.
Sometimes you didn't use no hot sauce.
I did? Yeah, I used 3 of them already.
Really? Oh.
Wow. Hey, you know, Tommy, yesterday was one of those days, you know?
Yeah.
Well, we're back. No? You know how it is already. Damn.
Damn, them stingy with the gravy, do I?
Where's that, you know?
Everything was well hot.
Well hot. Well hot. Right time.
How was the fries?
Excellent frying. We actually coming?
Go ahead. It's stingy with the gravy, man.
Wow.
Thirsty?
Yeah, that Coca-Cola hit the spot. Wow.
Listen.
So how you feel to get your last door now for your kitchen?
I'm so excited.
The adventure's over now.
I'm so excited.
Family, we've been to every IKEA, even in different state. Why the battery blinking? And I charged the thing today.
It was charged. It was charged.
Yeah, I plugged it in. This camera tripping.
When I checked it, it was charged.
Yeah.
It had a little bit more left to go.
I
Just
know.
a little bit.
I know.
Family, I'm just gonna keep on eating.
Nuggets are here. You see the sign? Family, I know. We tried the camera today, and it's blinking already. But let's see how long it lasts out for.
Cause I'm not gonna lie, the camera is tripping.
Sorry.
This sauce is good. You want more sauce?
Ketchup. I don't know. I just saw it blinking in it. That's always a problem. So what y'all eating, man?
Could never be great.
What y'all gonna eat today? Yeah? Now you're craving for Popeyes too? Come on.
You saw when we did the chicken box, everybody was saying that they wanted to try it, to taste it.
I ain't even tasting.
You would love it. That food was so good. I feel like we haven't done a fast food Friday video in a while.
It was a while, you know? Well, you know, they know. They understand. They truly understand.
Again, the camera comes out, we're sorry. But it's saying low battery, don't know how.
Don't know how, family. Damn. Yeah.
Fries are good.
Probably good. How the red beans are right?
It's good. Want to taste it?
I pork.
Well, at least you know how it tastes now.
I definitely know. Popeyes one don't taste like you, and I never really tried Popeyes one. What do you mean by how I know how it tastes? Yeah, I saw the video. They'll cut it out. First lady made her own. And I ate every bit of it.
Guys, I made a lot.
Trust me.
Richie ate it for about 4 days straight.
Yeah.
I never see Richie eat something, but usually there's no food left in the house, okay? And if there is, we freeze it. Richie was like, don't freeze that one. And every day Richie ate it for breakfast, sometimes for a snack. I was like, damn.
I tore it up from me.
My mother had some. She was like, wow, this is really good.
It was worth it. Wow.
Honey, I like how you sat there and ate all the nuggets. Pass me a nugget, man.
I didn't finish it. Didn't know you hear it.
This is why I was going to separate this now.
To be honest, I don't like the nuggets.
So what you them for?
Oh, I mean, it's not like nothing thing.
Just,
it could have been more seasoned.
Yeah. It could be,
What's your thoughts, man?
it could be more seasoned, more spicy.
More spicy, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But I'm still gonna eat it. But it's not nothing I will buy if I come here.
Yeah, that's true. That's how red beans and rice looks. Just like that.
It's almost done.
They stingy with the gravy and the red beans and rice, but it's okay. It's all good though. You can't be too greedy.
Wow. Today's a nice, beautiful, sunny day.
It is. I think tomorrow I'm gonna get some stuff ready for I'm gonna clean my bathroom and do some organizing. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I always say I'm gonna do stuff and then I end up taking naps. I love naps. I love my naps.
Me too.
Richie's my nap buddy. He knows, he's like, all right, let's go take a nap. I'm like, yes.
Are we out?
And we be knocked out.
Wow.
I mean, this breast too big enough?
You got breast too?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know you got breast. I said, where's the other breast? I thought you got wing. Drumstick and wings.
There wasn't a wing in there?
One wing.
Yeah.
But I thought you were gonna get just the drumstick and the wings. I didn't know you wanted breast.
I really don't. I just wanted to buy a couple of pieces and I'm done now. You know, I don't really fancy the breast, but
I'm gonna eat that.
I don't know why Popeyes chicken, even when they say it's spicy, I don't taste no spice, Tom.
Don't. I guess you gotta start saying you want mild, but they give you spicy.
Maybe.
But it's good.
Ooh.
I wanted that.
Yeah, it was so funny. Go ahead, my love. Go ahead, my love. It was so funny when I said I wanted Popeyes. You want other breast, honey?
Okay, save
I mean, other. Oh, what is
biscuit?
Biscuit. Yeah, I said I wanted Popeyes, and she was like, I was craving that yesterday. And I was like, wow. But you know, we do that all the time. Ain't nothing new.
Why you didn't tell me something was in my beard? Come on, y'all. Gotta do that to me. I bet they're full in it.
I'm full. I'm gonna take. You made your mix up sauce over there with your hot sauce.
I ain't got no sauce in there. I can't move around.
I know, that's the only thing about when you do a car bag.
Doing a car bag, you can't even move.
Oh, they didn't give you no ketchup? Oh, yes, they did.
I took some ketchup already.
Oh, that's honey.
I took ketchup. But yeah.
I don't know, honey. Hot sauce.
This was good.
So Richie usually puts like ketchup. You know, you guys know his mix up. Ketchup, hot sauce, all kind of fuckeries. And that's why I wanted a piece of breast. Because last time he did that, with the ketchup and the hot sauce.
It was good, huh?
It was so good. So I was like, next time I eat chicken, that's what I'm gonna do. It was really good.
But you're limited in the car.
Yeah, you're very limited in the car.
And you still to move around.
But we could have just said, okay, we're not gonna do a video today.
So we said,
but
no.
we didn't want to do that to you guys, you know?
You can't do that. No?
That's why we said, okay, we'll just do a car bang for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it.
I hope you enjoy it, family, you know?
With the car bang, you can see the food, but when it's two people, it's hard. When it's one person, you can see the food, you know? Because you can angle it away where the camera's pointing this way to you and you can see the person and the food. But when you're When you have two people, it's hard.
They like seeing the food and like hearing you talk.
Yeah.
But you know how it is when it's a car bang already fine. But other than that, no. We always appreciate y'all. No cap. The nuggets is okay.
I'm done.
Yeah. It's okay.
Bye.